Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up tasks, notes, and appointments in your free Agile CRM. First, create a task. Click Tasks on the left menu. On the Tasks page, click the blue Create Task button. A form pops up. Type the task name. Set a due date by clicking the calendar icon. Choose a person to assign it to. Click Save. Now, add a note to a contact. Go to the Contacts page and click on a contact's name. On their profile, find a button that says Add Note. Click it. Type your note in the box, then click Save Note. The note is now saved on their timeline. Next, set an appointment. Go to the Calendar tab on the left. Click on any date and time on the calendar. A pop-up appears. Type the appointment title. Set the start and end time. To link it to a contact, find the contact field and type their name, then select them. Click Save. You can see your task on the Tasks page, your note on the contact's profile, and your appointment on the calendar. And that's it. You've created a task, logged a note, and scheduled an appointment. If this helped organize your day, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.